So in the last video, you saw that we did air layering on a huge ficus tree. And we kept on checking after 2 weeks, after every 2 weeks, to make sure that it is still moist. And it was. We didn't have to water it at all. After 6 weeks, we started to see some roots, but we were not really sure because they were all wrapped up. So, we wanted to give it more time. Around 8 weeks, we saw really huge roots. So it's been 9 weeks, and we went and checked our ficus plant, and I peeked into that place where we had done the air layering, and I saw the roots. So we just cut it from there, and we have brought it here so that we can show you. It is easy to show here on the work desk, and then we are just going to plant it. So I'm going to open it here. So the last layer was, look at this root. I'm just going to water it a little bit so that the roots don't dry up. So, just a big planter, and with good pottings handmade. Let's fill it up. See, big plant. So see, that's the thing I was talking about earlier, that if you make a cutting, then you can't have such a big plant from the cutting. You'll have a maybe 1 foot tall plant, but when you do air layering, you can have a big plant like this. You want to make it compact so that the plant gets the support, the roots get the support. So that looks good. So this is like 6 feet tall, just so we did air layering. So we waited for 9 weeks. Now we have a 6 feet tall plant. So what we want to do now is that cut off most of the leaves, because the roots are developed, but they are still young, and we want the least amount of energy consumed to support the leaves. So if we cut them off, then root will have to spend less amount of energy, and the plant will become stable faster. So that's what we try to do. In all the small branches that we are cutting off right now, I'm going to put them in water and they'll root there, and then we can make small plants from them. So we have removed most of the leaves from this plant because we want the roots to conserve energy and spread out and become bigger. And we also put this stake in the planter so that it gets the support, the plant gets the support, because it's pretty tall, and watered it a little bit. And so I'm going to just keep it in a shaded area, under the trees. There is a lot of humidity and shade, and hopefully in a few weeks new leaves will start to come out, and then I'll report back how it is doing. So I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.